And here is a look at the Albuquerque metro area right now where we have light snow falling. We're not going to see a whole lot of extra accumulating snow across the metro area today. Most of what we are going to get, we've really already gotten. And here's a look at what's going on around Cloudcroft at this hour, and we've seen some heavy snow in this area of the Sacramento Mountains. This is an area that will continue to see the snow throughout the day today. Some reports near Alto have over a foot of snow on the ground, and as the sun gets ready to rise over the southern mountains, get ready for more snow as the core of this storm gets ready to push across the southern portion of the state. As far as some snow amounts go with this particular storm, Cubero about 14 inches, Laguna Pueblo about a foot, Cedillo 10 inches, Edgewood 6 inches, Ruidoso already 6 inches with more on the way, and Socorro about 5 inches. This is just a sampling. We're getting other reports of much higher snow amounts than this. In the metro, not the case. We were snow shadowed throughout most of this storm, so we have not seen big-time metro snows. No surprise there. We knew we were going to have the wind. We still do. East winds at 25 miles an hour, but there are enough snow showers hanging around to slide through the area over the next few hours especially, and then that will start to back off with most of the moisture sliding to the south. Temperatures are very cold, and that's really the thing with this storm that's helped to create these big-time snow numbers, the really cold temps. 10 degrees in Las Vegas, 3 in Taos, 19 in Los Alamos, 15 below in Alamosa, and across the south, temperatures anywhere from 14 in Ruidoso all the way up to 30 in Alamogordo and Las Cruces. Core of the storm is bending right here counterclockwise just over southeastern Arizona. This will slide across the state today. It will take this shield of snow and start to move it over southeastern New Mexico throughout the day. Now, one thing I think we're going to find out this afternoon when we start getting all the snow amounts in here are going to be, wow, these snow amounts are huge. They are, but remember, there's a few things to consider here. When you take the moisture and you combine it with really cold temperatures across New Mexico, you can end up with what we call huge snow ratios, meaning about an inch of rain is equivalent to 15 or 20 inches of snow. So for you guys in the East Mountains who have 18 inches of snow, you would think, oh man, we must have 2 inches of rain in this. You probably don't, because this is so cold, and it'll be easier to remove, a little bit lighter, but still with the cold temperatures, it's going to hold to those roads pretty efficiently over the next day or so. This storm system looked like it would slide right through the western portion of the state as it came down, but instead it's ended up over eastern Arizona. What does that mean? Well, what it's meant is the Continental Divide, I-40 West, and the Gila have been the biggest focusing points along with the East Mountains with this storm. The northern mountains didn't get as much snow because this storm slid over to the west a little too far. Well, throughout the day today, the focus goes across southeastern New Mexico as the storm goes across, and you guys will continue to see the possibility of more snow. Another thing that's going to lead to road problems throughout the rest of today and probably early tomorrow are the very cold temperatures. Here's a look at the average temperatures for the state today, 40s and 50s. What are we actually going to get? 20s and 30s. So that's also going to hold the ice across most of the state. Let's go region by region. Southern Colorado, you guys didn't get a whole lot out of this. Durango Mountain Resort got about 5 inches today. Partly cloudy skies, and then sunny Saturday into Sunday, and Christmas Day looks good. 27 Grants, 30 in Cuba, 33 in Farmington. The difficult roads around Grants will be tougher to clear because of those cold temperatures, but slowly they will. Down across the south and west, snow heavy at times in the mountains today, and temperatures for the most part in the 30s. That heavy snow continuing to fly across a good portion of Doña Ana County. Over to the southeast, snow at times here too. Cold temperatures, low 30s for today, and the chance for snow continues throughout the day and maybe even into early tomorrow morning before clearing. 20s across the northeast, partly cloudy, cool, but not much snow. Northern mountains, periods of snow will be a possibility today with temperatures in the 20s. I don't think we're going to see huge additional accumulations. You guys in the East Mountains have seen a ton of snow. Snow showers will continue in through this morning and then improving conditions later on in the day. Same deal in the metro. Some snow showers early on. Then we go partly cloudy with temperatures for the most part in the low 30s. Extended forecast by Christmas Eve, 35 degrees. And Christmas Day, no reason for a Santa delay, 41 for a high.